Welcome back to All Old Rare Coins channel. The USA $quarter coin from 1999 is a fascinating piece of numismatic history and a true treasure for collectors. With its beautiful design, historical significance, and potential for incredible value, this coin has captured the attention of coin enthusiasts around the world. In 1999, the United States Mint began the State Quarters program, a groundbreaking initiative that honored each of the 50 states with unique designs on the reverse of the quarter. 5 designs were released each year from 1999 to 2008, and the 1999 quarters hold a special place in this series as the inaugural set. These coins celebrated Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Georgia, and Connecticut, each with designs highlighting the rich heritage and unique characteristics of these states. One reason these coins are so coveted is their historical importance. They marked a new era in U.S. coinage, capturing the imagination of millions of Americans who eagerly collected them. But beyond their historical significance, there's another aspect of these coins that makes them truly extraordinary: their value. Collectors are particularly drawn to coins from 1999 due to the challenges in minting them. Errors such as double dies, off-center strikes, or missing elements can increase their desirability and value. Coins from this series that are in pristine condition, graded highly by professional organizations such as PCGS or NGC, are considered extremely rare. Coins with a grade of MS69 or higher can fetch impressive prices at auctions, but what if you stumble upon a 1999 quarter in your pocket change? Most circulated examples are worth their face value, 25 cents. However, if the coin has unique characteristics, such as an error or exceptional condition, its value can skyrocket. Even circulated coins from this series with minor minting errors have sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The key to identifying a valuable 1999 quarter lies in the details. Examine the coin carefully for any unusual features. Look for doubled letters, design irregularities, or other signs of a minting error. If you think you've found something special, consider having the coin professionally graded to determine its true value. Among the most valuable quarters from 1999 are those with rare minting errors or those in near-perfect condition. Coins that have been stored properly, away from wear and tear, stand the best chance of commanding a high price. And when it comes to the pinnacle of coin collecting, auctions have seen extraordinary results. Some 1999 quarters have sold for jaw-dropping amounts due to their rarity and condition. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for. Imagine a coin from this series being worth an astonishing $35,000. Yes, $35,000 for a single quarter. It may sound unbelievable, but it's a reality for the rarest and most sought-after examples. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or someone just starting their numismatic journey, keep your eyes open. That 1999 quarter in your pocket might be worth far more than you ever imagined. Next coins is the USA $quarter coin from 2007. Is more than just a piece of change in your pocket, it's a window into history and a prized treasure for collectors. With its stunning designs and the potential to hold incredible value, this coin has sparked the curiosity of numismatists and enthusiasts alike. Let's dive into what makes the 2007 $quarter so special and why it could be worth a fortune. In 2007, the United States Mint continued its State Quarters program, an ambitious initiative that began in 1999 to celebrate the heritage of all 50 states. The 2007 series featured 5 states: Montana, Washington, Idaho, Wyoming, and Utah. Each coin's reverse design highlighted iconic symbols unique to the state it represented, making these quarters not just currency but miniature pieces of art. Take the Montana quarter, for example, with its majestic depiction of a bison skull set against a rugged mountain range. Or the Washington quarter, featuring a stunning engraving of a leaping salmon, symbolizing the state's rich natural resources. Every 2007 quarter captures a story, making each one a fascinating collectible. Beyond their artistic value, these coins hold tremendous significance in American history. The State Quarters program revitalized interest in coin collecting, introducing millions of people to the world of numismatics. Quarters from 2007 are particularly sought after because they were part of the final years of the program, increasing their appeal to collectors eager to complete their sets. But what makes these coins truly exciting is their potential value. Most quarters minted in 2007 are worth their face value in everyday transactions. However, certain coins have become highly valuable due to minting errors or their pristine condition. If a coin is free of scratches, has a flawless strike, or features a unique error, its value can soar well beyond what you'd expect. Minting errors are a significant factor in a coin's value. Look closely for doubled letters, missing details, or misaligned designs on your 2007 quarters. These imperfections make the coins rare and incredibly desirable to collectors. Similarly, coins graded at the highest levels, such as MS-68 or MS-69, are rare gems that can command high prices at auctions. Another factor is the mint mark. Quarters from the Philadelphia, P, Denver, D, and San Francisco, S, mints each have unique production qualities. Proof coins from the San Francisco Mint, struck with sharp details and a mirror-like finish, are especially prized. A 2007 proof quarter in perfect condition can be worth significantly more than a standard coin. So, how much can a 2007 quarter be worth? For most, it's just 25 cents. But for a rare few, it can be life-changing. Coins with unique errors or exceptional grades have sold for thousands of dollars at auctions, leaving collectors in awe. And now, here's the most exciting part: imagine finding a 2007 quarter worth $25,000. That's right, $25,000 for a single coin. This could be due to a minting anomaly or an exceptionally rare condition that sets it apart from the millions produced. It's a collector's dream come true and proof that treasures can be found in the most unexpected places. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or someone curious about the coins in your pocket, take a closer look at your 2007 quarters. You never know, one of them might just be worth a small fortune. Now is the USA $quarter coin from 2002 is an extraordinary piece of American history, cherished by collectors and coin enthusiasts alike. Its captivating designs, historical importance, and the chance for incredible value make it much more than just spare change. Let's explore why the 2002 quarter is so special and how it might be worth far more than you think. In 2002, the United States Mint continued the celebrated state quarters program, which was designed to honor the unique heritage and culture of all 50 states. The program introduced 5 new state designs each year, and the 2002 quarters represented Tennessee, Ohio, Louisiana, Indiana, and Mississippi. These coins feature stunning designs that showcase the distinct identity of each state, making them not just currency but works of art. The Tennessee quarter highlights the state's rich musical heritage, with images of a guitar, trumpet, and fiddle symbolizing its contributions to country, blues, and jazz music. The Ohio quarter pays homage to the state's pivotal role in aviation, featuring an astronaut and an early airplane, a nod to the Wright brothers and Ohio-born astronauts. Each of the 2002 designs tells a story, reflecting the history and pride of these states. Collectors are drawn to these quarters not only for their artistic appeal but also because of their significance in American numismatics. The state quarters program was groundbreaking, sparking an unprecedented interest in coin collecting across the United States. Quarters from 2002 hold a special place as they represent the middle years of this iconic program, making them highly sought after by those looking to complete their collections. What really sets some of these coins apart, however, is their potential value. While most 2002 quarters are worth their face value of 25 cents, there are certain coins that can command astonishing prices due to their rarity and condition. Coins in perfect uncirculated condition, especially those with a professional grade of MS-68 or higher, are considered highly valuable. Additionally, quarters with unique minting errors are the crown jewels of the 2002 series. Minting errors can range from doubled dies, where parts of the design appear twice, to off-center strikes or missing details. These rare imperfections make a coin stand out and significantly increase its worth. Proof quarters from the San Francisco Mint, known for their flawless craftsmanship and mirror-like finishes, are also highly desirable among collectors, especially in perfect condition. another key factor in a coin's value is its mint mark. The 2002 quarters were produced in 3 locations: Philadelphia, P, Denver, D, and San Francisco, S. Each mint has its own production characteristics, and collectors often seek to obtain coins from all 3 to complete their sets. Proof coins from San Francisco are particularly prized for their sharp details and stunning presentation. While many 2002 quarters are common, there are examples that have sold for remarkable amounts at auctions. Rare errors, pristine uncirculated coins, or proof coins in perfect condition can fetch thousands of dollars, making them highly coveted treasures in the world of coin collecting. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for. Imagine finding a 2002 quarter worth an incredible $30,000. That's right, $30,000 for a single coin. This extraordinary value could be due to a rare minting error or an exceptionally high grade, making it a true gem for any collector. Look now, USA $quarter coin from the year 2000 is a remarkable piece of American coinage that holds both historical significance and potential for incredible value. For collectors and enthusiasts, it's more than just a coin, it's a treasure with a story that could be worth a fortune. Let's dive into why the 2000 quarter is so special and how it could end up being one of the most valuable coins in your collection. In 2000, the United States Mint continued its groundbreaking state quarters program, which aimed to celebrate the unique heritage of all 50 states. The program began in 1999, releasing 5 new designs each year. The quarters from 2000 featured Massachusetts, Maryland, South Carolina, New Hampshire, and Virginia, each with stunning designs that reflect the essence of these states. Take the Massachusetts quarter, for example. It showcases the Minuteman, a symbol of the state's pivotal role in the American Revolution. The Maryland quarter features the State House dome, representing the rich history of this founding state. New Hampshire's quarter honors the famous Old Man of the Mountain, a natural rock formation that was a beloved state symbol until its collapse in 2003. Each of these designs is a snapshot of history, making the 2000 quarters a must-have for collectors. Beyond their artistic appeal, these coins are significant because they represent a turning point in American numismatics. The state quarters program sparked a national coin collecting craze, introducing millions of people to the joy of hunting for rare and unique coins. Quarters from 2000 hold a special place in this series as part of the early years of the program, increasing their appeal to collectors around the world. While most 2000 quarters are worth their face value of 25 cents, some are worth far more due to their rarity, condition, or unique features. Coins in uncirculated condition with a high grade, such as MS 68 or higher, are particularly valuable. These coins are preserved in pristine condition with no visible wear or flaws, making them stand out to collectors and auction houses. Then there are the minting errors, one of the most exciting aspects of coin collecting. Errors like double dies, off-center strikes, or missing details make a coin rare and highly sought after. Imagine finding a quarter with a misaligned image or a partial strike. These imperfections make it one of a kind and significantly increase its value. Proof coins from the San Francisco Mint, known for their sharp details and mirror-like finishes, are also coveted, especially in flawless condition. Another key detail to look for is the mint mark. The 2000 quarters were struck in 3 locations: Philadelphia, P, Denver, D, and San Francisco, S. Coins from each mint have their own characteristics, and collectors often seek to complete sets from all 3 mints. Proof coins from San Francisco, with their exceptional quality, are particularly prized by enthusiasts. While most 2000 quarters are common, rare examples have sold for staggering amounts at auctions. Coins with minting errors or those in near-perfect condition can command prices that far exceed expectations. This makes these coins not just fascinating but also potentially life-changing for those lucky enough to find one. And here's the part that will truly amaze you. Imagine coming across a 2000 quarter that's worth an astounding $33,000. Yes, $33,000 for a single coin. It could be due to a rare minting error, an exceptionally high grade, or some other unique characteristic that sets it apart. For a collector, this would be the ultimate find, a dream come true. Last coin is the USA $2 coin from 2022 with the Denver Mint mark, or the D designation, is a fascinating piece of modern coinage that has captured the attention of collectors and enthusiasts alike. While it may seem like an ordinary coin to the untrained eye, this quarter holds the potential for historical significance and substantial monetary value. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2022 D quarter so special and why it could be worth much more than its face value. In 2022, the U.S. Mint continued to produce quarters with new designs that reflect the spirit of America. The quarters released this year marked the beginning of the American Women Quarters program, which celebrates the achievements and contributions of influential women throughout U.S. history. Each coin in the series tells a unique story, making them more than just currency. They are a tribute to the nation's legacy. One of the most notable features of the 2022 quarter is its obverse, which showcases an updated profile of George Washington. This design, created by Laura Garden Fraser, pays homage to one of the greatest sculptors in American history. It was originally intended for the 1932 quarter but was finally chosen for circulation in 2022. The new portrayal of Washington adds a fresh and timeless appeal to this modern coin. The reverse side of the 2022 D quarters is equally captivating, with designs that honor remarkable women such as Maya Angelou, Dr. Sally Ride, and Wilma Mankiller. These designs are intricate and inspiring, making the coin a symbol of progress and resilience. For collectors, this level of detail and artistry elevates the quarter from everyday currency to a work of art. What sets the 2022 D quarter apart in value, however, is its potential rarity and the condition in which it is found. Coins minted at the Denver Mint are marked with a D and have their own distinct characteristics. Coins struck with high precision and preserved in pristine condition are particularly valuable to collectors. Professional grading agencies assign a grade to coins based on their quality, with MS-68 and MS-69 being among the highest achievable. Quarters from 2022 D that receive these grades are incredibly rare and can fetch a premium price. Another factor that makes some of these coins stand out is minting errors. Even with modern technology, mistakes happen during the minting process. Errors like double dies, off-center strikes, or missing elements on the coin can make it a collector's dream. These rare imperfections increase the coin's uniqueness, driving its value up significantly. If you happen to spot one of these errors on your 2022 D quarter, you might have a small fortune in your hands. Proof coins, which are struck with extraordinary detail and mirror-like finishes, are another category of high-value coins. Although most proof coins are minted in San Francisco, collectors still prize high-quality coins from the Denver Mint, especially if they display flawless features. While most 2022 D quarters are worth their face value in circulation, a select few have proven to be much more valuable. Some coins, due to their rarity, grade, or unique errors, have been known to sell for astonishing amounts at auctions. These coins represent the dream of every collector, to find a treasure hidden in plain sight. Now, here's the part that's sure to excite you. Imagine discovering a 2022 D quarter that's worth an incredible $20,000. Yes, $20,000 for a single coin. It could be due to a rare minting error, an impeccable grade, or other characteristics that make it one of a kind. For collectors, this is the ultimate prize, a modern masterpiece with a value that defies expectations. So, don't underestimate the power of pocket change. Take a closer look at your 2022 quarters, especially those with the Denver Mint mark. You never know, you might just stumble upon a coin that could change your life. Happy collecting, and may your search uncover a hidden gem worth $20,000.